Once upon a time, in a forest filled with red-orange foxes, lived a rare white fox named Toby. Because of his different fur color, three foxes named Milo, Rex, and Fang made fun of him. Look at him, Snowball Fox. Bet he glows in the dark. I'm not weird. I'm just different.
Who cares, bro?
Tomorrow.
One day, Toby heard somebody yelling, "Please help me! Somebody! Please help me!" Toby rushed toward the sound and saw three bullies trapped in a hunter net. Nailed it, mate! 3 fox in one net! Without thinking, Toby bit the net until the net broke and the three fox free. Toby, you saved us! Hey, look, a white one! Sweet, get him! They aimed their snipers to Toby, but don't touch him! He's our friend! The hunters scared, and they ran away to save their life. Toby, we're so sorry we treated you horribly, but we promise we won't bully anyone again. I forgive you guys. Yeah, thanks for saving us too. And moral of the story is, for those that different should be respected. Thank you for enjoying my story, and see you guys. Bye bye.